Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set a location for your Craigslist post. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, now we can get started. The first thing we want to do to be able to set a location for ad is to go ahead and log into our account to be able to post an ad. So you're going to go right here into the upper right corner, click on the account tab and get started creating an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here, immediately the top of the screen is going to show you your location that has automatically been selected. If you want, you can go and select a different one if you do not want to use this one. But let's go ahead and start posting an ad. You're going to click the post an ad option in the upper right corner. That's going to open up this new menu from where we can go and select what we are offering and then select the category you want to put it in. Guys, as you can see, the option you're going to have once you're posting your ad, you have the title, description, and you have the city, your neighborhood. This is where you can go ahead and provide the location of your ad. There is no direct way to post a map or anything similar. You can give more information where the location is in the description, but this is where your location is going to be, and this is where you want to put where you want people to go and see your ad from. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.